and welcome to New This Week on artistloud.com, the sound of independence. Today on the show, I have an artist who is multi-talented to the core. From being a singer, to a composer, to an RJ, to a radio producer, to a lyricist, what not. Well, his life is all about music. In spite of being the grandson of legendary Asha Bhosle ji, he has been able to carve a niche for himself on his own. Today on the show, he's all set to launch his latest album, Coming Home, on artistloud.com. Please welcome Chintu Bhosle.
आज चिंटू भाई शो पे हैं तो आज चिंटू भाई धमाका होगा शो पे.
चिंटू सा धमाका.
चिंटू सा धमाका. You know, talking about चिंटू सा धमाका, you have a very cute name, but I want to ask you, who gave you this name, Chintu?
They say good things come in small sounding packages.
क्या बात है?
I think वहीं से नाम has been given to me.
Okay.
वैसे तो असल में my name is Chaitanya, but it's a very long name. Form fill करने में it takes a lot of time. So I was very happy when my mother nicknamed me Chintu.
Who put the two in your name?
The two, what happened was in college, ऐसे मजाक मस्ती में हम लोग बैठे थे कैंटीन में. You know, somebody said, यार Chin 1, Chin 1.9, now year 2000 is coming up, then you will become Chintu. And then I said, that's a very nice name to have. It's not for any numerological purpose. कुछ ऐसे कुछ बात नहीं है. It was just a nice sounding name.
मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि ये हो क्या रहा है आपकी जिंदगी में, क्या हो रहा है? सबसे पहले तो आपको ये बहुत लेट रियलाइज हुआ कि आपको संगीत करना है.
आपके पास टाइम है लाइफ में.
सुपर टाइम है मेरे पास.
तो मैं शुरू करता हूँ. Not from the day I was born. But मैंने कॉलेज करने के बाद I have done my MBA. फिर मैं काम कर चुका हूँ एडवर्टाइजिंग में.
Exactly.
I was a client servicing. Servicing अगर कोई भी एडवर्टाइजिंग में हो, then they will understand. When you're in client servicing, you are a glorified peon. So वो सब करने के बाद I realized मैं बैकपैकिंग बहुत करता था, बहुत ट्रैवलिंग करता हूँ. एंड आई रियलाइज ऑन वन सच ट्रिप जो 1-1.5 साल के बाद, मतलब बैग करने के बाद मुझे 10 दिन दिया गया था. चल ले लो. बट 10 दिन नहीं, 9 दिन के बाद वापस आ जाना. आई सेड बॉस, आई डिजर्व इट. इट्स नॉट लाइक आई एम गोइंग आफ्टर 1 month ऑफ वर्किंग.
आई सेड छुट्टी में ऐसा हुआ क्या था, मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ.
अरे यार, हेवनली यार. हम लोग गए थे, बीच पे गए थे, माउंटेन्स गए थे. वी वुड टेक अ बस एंड नॉट नो वेयर वी आर गोइंग. ये बस कहाँ जाती है, बैकपैक लेके हम जाते थे. वी रीच मामल्लपुरम, वो बीच है वहाँ पे. वहाँ से वी मेड आवर वे टू कोडाई कनाल. यहाँ गया, वहाँ गया. हीट स्ट्रोक हुआ था तांजावुर में, टेम्पल्स देखने. वी यूज्ड टू वेयर मुंडूज. वी जस्ट डिड ऑल दैट. मतलब लिव्ड लाइफ. सो देन वी केम बैक. आई जस्ट क्विट. आई सेड, यू नो व्हाट, देयर इज मोर टू लाइफ. यार, I was optimistic. I said, when I'm 40, I might be a CEO and heading a company, but will I be happy? So I quit my job and I said, यार, worst case scenario, कुछ हो या ना हो, I have my MBA backing. मैंने MBA किया था, and I said I can always get back to corporate life. So with that happy news, I went to my grandmother Asha ji. And I said, मैंने fix decide किया है कि अब मैं काम नहीं करने वाला हूँ, मैं music करने वाला हूँ. Almost, मतलब यहाँ तक पहुँच गए थे. नहीं क्या, what are you doing? से तू पागल हो गया. ऐसे क्यों? She said it's a very tough life. मतलब ये जो इंडस्ट्री के लोग हैं, पॉलिटिक्स जो होता है यहाँ पे, it's different. I like every place has politics. Right. Corporate life also has politics, but it's a different zone. Right. और बहुत tough है. Think about it, you know. So I said, हाँ, उससे बेहतर तो मतलब glorified peon बनने से बेहतर I'd rather do music. So she said, okay, if you want any help, let me know. And I said, I have your name anyway. I mean, it's a huge boost for me, but देख लेंगे. So we left it at that. उसके बाद मैंने थिएटर किया. मैं ऑल इंडिया रेडियो पे रेडियो जॉकी बना था. When there was no private stations. हाँ, no, then I was learning sound engineering to make my own album.
Oh wow.
तब एक फोन कॉल आया from a old friend of ट्रेनिंग में कुछ काम कर रहा था. फोन दिखाया, उठाया. Some girl's voice. I was most happy. And she said, this is Gitanjali. I said, oh okay, I know her. Scope नहीं है. So I spoke to her. और she said एक boy band का audition हो रहा है. I said, oh. So she said, why didn't you come for it? I said, no. She said, why not? I said, no, absolutely not. No. She said, why? क्या बुराई है? I said, the boy band. तो at that time मैं एक rock band में था. I used to sing, I used to play the guitar. Oxygen करके था. तो my brother then spoke to me and he forced me. तो क्या कर रहा है life में? तो बैठे बैठे घर पे you're learning this. तू music कर रहा है. Nobody's saying you're going to get selected. ना तू जाके तो देख. तो I really partied till 4 that morning because I did not want to get selected. फिर मैं गया ऑडिशन के लिए. हरी जी थे वहाँ पे, लेस्ली लुइस थे वहाँ पे, एंड विनोद नायर वाज द थर्ड पर्सन हु वाज पार्ट ऑफ पुटिंग दिस अप टुगेदर. और दे टोल्ड मी टू सिंग, तो मैंने कुछ गाया. फिर दे टोल्ड मी टू डांस. आई सेड नहीं. So you have to dance. I said, no, I'm not going to dance. So anyway, to cut a long story, Chintu, वो सब होने के बाद I was selected and we've done riyas. We've had the most fantastic time as a band of boys.
Yeah.
बहुत सारे hits we've given.
Yeah, of course.
Experienced so much about the industry, about how
it was a
works.
huge sensation.
If you have 20 hours, I'll tell you how that imaging happened.
Yeah.
Who will be boy next door? Who will be the wicked boy? Ye, wo,
So
wo,
who were you? Who were you?
I was the boy next door.
Boy next door.
And there was an element of truth to who we were and how we became that. So, uske baad, after around 6-7 years of that, we did a movie. वो सब होने के बाद, I really started missing band, musicians, live music. और फिर मैंने एक फैसला लिया कि I want to get into live music. क्योंकि you know वो जो जब साथ में बजाते हैं, साथ में music बनाते हैं, it's so much creativity. While we used to sing on stage as a band of boys, we still do. I was really missing live music.
एक गाना हो जाए बैंड ऑफ बॉयज का, बैंड ऑफ बॉयज, क्योंकि आज आप अकेले हैं, पूरा गाना गाएंगे हम.
You're calling me a banana today?
नहीं, I'm not saying banana today.
आज आप अकेले हैं. Anyway, तो ये है.
वो मेरी किताब निकालो पीजेस की, उसमें लिखा जाए. Let's have the guitar and let's have the song, right?
चल.
Okay.
Thank you so much. क्या हो गया है, ये क्या हो गया है, क्या हो गया है, हाँ क्या हो गया है, नन्ना रन्ना रन्ना, मेरी नींद उड़ गई है, मेरा चैन खो गया है, तेरे प्यार में मेरी जान, ये क्या हो गया है, मेरी नींद उड़ गई है, मेरा चैन खो गया है, तेरे प्यार में मेरी जान, ये क्या हो गया है, हाँ क्या हो गया है, ये क्या हो गया है, नन्ना रन्ना रन्ना. Thank you. I'm going to put this guitar next to me.
हाँ.
ताकि if ever you ask me to sing again,
हाँ.
मैं एकदम immediately उठा के I can sing.
Okay, give a wild thought. If that day you wouldn't have gone for the audition, what would you been doing?
पता नहीं यार. Honestly, I don't know. I would have probably released my solo album.
Yeah.
Or looking back today, I don't think I was ready to do my solo stuff at that point of time. क्योंकि through this journey, I was a very Western youngster. यानी मैं बहुत English गाना सुनता था. And I used to sing in my rock band English songs. So I wasn't very oriented towards Indian music. तो अगर मैं कुछ गाना compose करता था तब और album release होता, then it would have been a very Western sounding album. कुछ Indian element होता ही नहीं था उसमें. When the first album, my first solo album was composed, moving away from a band of boys, I said यार मुझे अपना solo album, अपना music, अपना एक पहचान बनाना है, अपना music के साथ. तो and I and me had this understanding, Asha ji and me, कि when she thinks I am ready, she will tell me कि चल साथ में कुछ करते हैं.
Wow.
And I also have this ego कि यार मैं I will not ask her. मतलब you know she should feel, फिर मजा आएगा. तो एक दिन हम बैठ के टीवी देख रहे थे, बैठे बैठे सिंग गा रहे थे. And she says, you know, चिंटू हाँ चल साथ में गाते हैं.
इसी के लिए मेरा जन्म हुआ है.
And so casually, it took me 3 months to get her to record. Finally, recording का दिन आ गया, and we met at the studio, and I said, okay, चलो आई अभी fly, you know, I mean, what do I do? She said, नहीं, अभी मैं singer हूँ, तू music director है, you direct me.
Wow.
But the learning was 13,000 songs गाने के बाद, she said, if I don't learn from this recording, तो फिर मैं यहाँ पे क्यों खड़ी हूँ? I said, fantastic. So we recorded. शुरू किया. It took her a little time because my composition from a timing perspective it's very simple, but it's not something she was used to.
Right.
So it took a little time, but she did not sit down. Until I said, आइए बैठ जाओ, 5 मिनट का ब्रेक. नहीं, अभी zone में है. चलो करते हैं. हो गया recording 5 बजे तक हो गया शाम को, and we went back home. रात को 10 बजे एक phone call आया, saying, चिंटू, इधर हाँ क्या हुआ? सब ठीक है? हाँ. रिकॉर्डिंग ठीक गया? I said, हाँ क्यों? नहीं वो जो सेक्शन था वो आई थिंक उसको थोड़ा और मुड़की से ये कर सकते थे, या उसमें वो कर सकता था, या थोड़ा वो वहाँ पे एक्सप्रेशन दे सकते थे, यू नो, तो एक और बार करें. I was like, no, to catch you is so difficult. वो तो अलग बात है, but it was absolutely fine. Please आप सो जाइए, don't worry.
That's the reason she's the great Asha Bhosle ji.
Fantastic.
Hats off to you, ma'am.
Fantastic. No, really, I think all of us should learn.
Why didn't you sing a couple of lines of the same song?
This song is called Pyar Khush Naseeb, and it's a part of my life where मैं बता दूँ, when I was young, my mom, fantastic that she
अभी भी
is.
जवान है.
हाँ, when I was younger,
Younger.
she said, Chintu, in life, have fun. Have lots of girlfriends. ये नहीं कि you must settle down with one woman. Because शादी के बाद ना क्या होता है, सब कुछ बदल जाता है. And she used to tell me, एक साल के बाद सब कुछ बदल जाता है. As I was coming closer to marriage, she said, 6 महीने में सब कुछ बदल जाएगा. Closer to marriage. Chintu, in 1 week things will change. शादी के दिन पे, that night everything changes. Now, I've been married 10, 11, 12 years now.
बंदे को खुद याद नहीं है कि मेरी सजा कितनी लंबी चल रही है.
मतलब 10 साल हो गया.
हाँ, 10 साल हो गया.
Decade. I now get gratuity. हाँ.
Super.
तो उसके बाद it's a fantastic ride यार. मतलब मुझे समझ में नहीं आता कि लोग ऐसे क्यों बोलते हैं. तो उस पे this song was made after I think 5 or 6 years of marriage.
जब ये गाने के पीछे कहानी इतनी मजेदार है, I'm sure ये गाना भी बहुत मजेदार होगा. तो क्यों ना इसकी 2 लाइनें हो जाएं और मुझे मालूम है आप मैं बोलूँगा 2 आप गाएंगे 6. Let's have the guitar and let's have the song, right?
चल. This is why you are fortunate to be in love. कहते हैं दिल दे ना रोको रोको, कहते हैं दिल से ना सोचो सोचो. वो निकलो ये ख्वाबों की दुनिया से, झूठी ये प्यार की दास्तां है. बागों की खुशबू भीनी भीनी, प्यार की मिठास की चीनी चीनी. बागों में खुशबू भीनी भीनी, प्यार की मिठास की चीनी चीनी. दिल मेरा ये धुन गुनगुनाए, प्यार खुश नसीब. You can do it. That is the song.
Super cool. और आपकी जो पहली एल्बम थी उसकी सफलता के बाद अब आप धमाकेदार तरीके से आगे हैं कमिंग होम के साथ.
Two's album, second album. हाँ. This album is a further taking my journey ahead क्योंकि अब ये album में I've really been wanting to work with live musicians और I've been really lucky कि इस album में a lot of friends have pulled in and helped me.
और ये कौन-कौन है?
Close friend of mine Farzad on guitars. I've also been on guitars. Sonu Sangameswaram on bass. Very close friend of mine Sangeet Haldipur. He's my bandmate's brother, Siddharth's brother. He's played the keyboards and Vinayak Pol on drums. And really fortunate कि बिना कुछ पूछे, बिना anything they said, Chintu, तू album कर रहा है, we will support you. Doesn't matter what happens, हम आके बजाएंगे.
क्या बात.
And they fully helped. Siddharth's father Amarji has helped me with all the Indian arrangements. मतलब हर गाने में इस एल्बम में मेरा ये endeavor था कि अगर कोई foreigner ये एल्बम सुने, then they should be able to understand what is happening. और एक थोड़ा it's a bit of an Indian export.
क्या बात.
तो हर गाना में there is a झलक of an Indian instrument. एक गाना में सारंगी है, there's a sitar in one song, there is pakhavaj and there tablas in one song. The song that has really got a fantastic response, ये वाला गाना है Coming Home.
Coming Home.
Which has been composed from a perspective of there is हर आदमी के लाइफ में there is one place या country या जो भी हो where you feel very comfortable.
Yeah.
And you don't have to put up a mask.
Yeah.
And that is home for you.
Yeah.
When I did this song, a lot of people said, यार ये बंगाली में होता इतना मजा आता, या कन्नड़ा में होता तो इतना मजा आता. So again, a lot of friends chipped in. A musician friend of mine wrote for me in Bengali. Somebody wrote in Kannada. Dr. Vyas wrote for me in Kannada. Marathi, a friend of mine, wrote for me. Gujarati, my mother-in-law wrote. And we've done full versions in each language, and it's come out so nice. I am only saying it, but when you get to finally hear it, hopefully you will say it too.
What do you mean, hopefully? Let's have the performance right away and let them decide for itself.
Done.
Okay.
Chalo.
Here's Coming Home from Chintu Bhosle.
Here's why it feels like we're coming home when we perform in Kolkata. Monera pathaniye chale amaye, preme ghera she thikanaye, hara dhushur melone rang chhadaye. Baby, I'm coming home. Here's why it feels like we're coming home when we're performing in Bangalore. ಆತಾಣ ಕೆ ನಾ ಹೋಗುವೆ ಒಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಕಣಿದ ಮನವು ಕುಣಿಯಲಲ್ಲಿ baby I'm coming home. Here's why it feels like I'm coming home when we perform in Maharashtra. साऱ्या निराशा क्लेश वेदना विसरतो मी तिथेच्या पंखाच्या मौवेला आसुसला मी इथे. Here's why it feels like I'm coming home when we perform in Gujarat. मन गन कन थकन विसरे दिवस मारो शमे पलक पाके वाटड़ी ज्योति जा मने तू मरे. And here's how we perform coming home to the foreigners all over the world. There's a place where I love to go. It's where I'm never alone. You can rest your soul when you're weary and cold. Baby, I'm coming home. Sunshine plays with her hair. Softly she dances alone. Her eyes shine, her touch is gold. Know what to know that you're home.
What a song!
वाह क्या रिएक्शन है भाई. घी शक्कर कुछ मिठाई पेड़ा दे दे. चाय चलो चाय इसी पे चाय पीते. वाह वाह cheers.
No, I must congratulate you for the fact कि इतने सारी भाषाओं का मिश्रण करते हुए आपने इतना खूबसूरत गाना बनाया है. How did you learn so many languages? Was it easy?
No. All of them sat with me यार. मतलब यार चल यार ड्रिंक्स करते हैं तो चलो यार प्लीज टीच मी प्रॉपर्ली यार. फिर स्टूडियो में आके you know they would coach me on the languages.
सबसे ज्यादा मुश्किल लैंग्वेज कौन सी है?
कन्नड़ा.
कन्नड़ा.
कन्नड़ा. आथान. I'm sure I'm not getting it right now also, but आथान के ना होगुवे उंटियल्ला अल्लीना.
Wow.
The thing about this language is कि मैंने सब राइटर को या दोस्तों को बोला कि प्लीज डोंट वरी अबाउट यार ओल्ड स्टाइल में पुराने अंदाज में या नए वाले अंदाज में. लैंग्वेजेस चेंज. तो apparently कन्नड़ा इज पुराने अंदाज. तो अभी जब लोग सुनते हैं लॉट ऑफ देम से यार पर दिस इज स्लाइटली कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लैंग्वेज है. पर ऐसे अगर it elicits a feeling of nostalgia in you, then it's done its job.
Well, on that note, we're going to take a short break. और अब तक आपने जितना भी इनके बारे में सुना है, that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot more to this small name Chintu. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned.
बहुत confused हूँ. Whenever parents ask me कि यार please अपना बच्चों को you know थोड़ा direction दे दो life में. You're a musician. I say I'm the worst person. क्योंकि मैं MBA हूँ. I've done a Bollywood film. I've acted in it. Band of Boys के साथ मैं theater कर चुका हूँ. I don't know what I am. जहाँ हवा के झोंकों में सांस भी थम जाए तेरे प्यार में खो जाए. बस हम तेरे ये पल जो ढल जाए सपनों की जन्नत है ये.
It's late at night and I feel lonely. Come to think of it, what my life's been through, and I'd give up more than anything to have you always by my side. And now it's time for me to tell you, you're my life, girl. You're more than a friend. So please tell me that you feel the same. I can't wait to hear that you feel the same too. give up everything for you, knowing you'd love me true. Trust in my love, oh dear, faithful and so true.
Welcome back to New This Week on artsloud.com. I have with me the multi-talented, the super energetic चिंटू भोसले. अरे आप ये सर स्क्रिप्ट में लिखा
बोलना पड़ता है.
अरे सर देखिए, अब हम अपने गेस्ट का अपमान तो कर नहीं सकते स्टेज पे. हाँ, तो मैं क्या करता हूँ?
ऑफ कैमरा वील डिस्कस दैट.
क्यों ना सीरियस नोट, आई वांट टू आस्क यू, आप करते क्या हैं? मतलब आप इतना कुछ करते हैं.
मैं बहुत कंफ्यूज्ड हूँ. व्हेनेवर पेरेंट्स आस्क मी कि यार प्लीज अपना बच्चों को थोड़ा डायरेक्शन दे दो लाइफ में, यू आर अ म्यूजिशियन, आई से आई एम द वर्स्ट पर्सन, क्योंकि मैं एमबीए हूँ, आई हैव डन अ बॉलीवुड फिल्म, आई हैव एक्टेड इन इट, बैंड बॉयज के साथ मैं थिएटर कर चुका हूँ, मैं रेडियो जॉकी हूँ, मैंने एक रेडियो स्टेशन को स्टार्ट किया है मुंबई में, तो आई एम प्रोग्रामिंग हेड ऑफ अ रेडियो स्टेशन. I am a songwriter, I'm a jingle writer, I don't know what I am.
मतलब ये सब कैसे?
Actually हो जाता है, I must say, because since we don't have a fixed life, मतलब a fixed schedule, like people like you and me, कभी-कभी shoot होता है, then for 2 weeks we are out, then suddenly for 1 week I don't take up any projects. मैं बोला यार मुझे घर पे बैठना है, I want to watch them grow, I want to spend time with them. छुट्टी के लिए चले जाते हैं, we go out, we just take the car and drive off. वो जो बंजारन है जो मुझ में, it's very much alive in those moments. It's बस यार निकल जाते हैं and let's just get out somewhere. So that happens and I think it's very important to live life. बोलते हैं ना इंग्लिश में, you gotta sometimes stop and smell the coffee.
इतना खूबसूरत जो आपने गाना बनाया है, इसका वीडियो भी बहुत कमाल का बना है.
The video was born out of the fact कि ये गाना एक coming home kind of song है. And मैं बैठे बैठे we were sitting and discussing कि क्या करें, and we were sitting.
कुछ हट के करते हैं.
हट के करते हैं. कुछ हटा के करते हैं. And we were just looking at photographs or videos when my child was growing up. And I said, my God, most people shy away. यार घर वालों को लाना नहीं चाहिए वीडियो में. It's not a very nice thing. You're mad fans ये वो. I said, you know what? This song has been inspired by these people, and it will not be complete अगर वीडियो में the truth is not there. So the video is actual shots of my traveling, of my playing with my children, of my marriage moments. The first day my daughter was born, there's a shot of that in the hospital with my wife holding her. The video is that. The video are moments I've sat with Asha ji, and we've just been jamming on something. But the concept has been true to the song, and it's about this is my home.
No, surely it's a wonderful concept, and at this juncture, let's have a look at this wonderful video. Here's coming the video of Coming Home.
There's a place where I love to go. It's where I'm never alone. You can rest your soul when you're weary and cold. Baby, I'm coming home. जहाँ हवा के झोंकों में सांस भी थम जाए, तेरे प्यार में खो जाए, बस हम तेरे ये पल जो ढल जाए, सपनों की जन्नत है ये. There's a place where I love to go. It's where I'm never alone.
I must say बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. जैसा आपने कहा कि जो सोल है इस गाने की, वो इसमें कैप्चर हुई है.
कोशिश तो वो है.
I want to talk about the other sounds and other songs in this album.
In the album. Okay. The reason why I make my own music is also this, because I'm being brought up from a Western music perspective. I am a big fan of the fact that जब West में लोग गाने बनाते हैं, by and large, let's say 90% या जो 60s में 70s में जो गाने बनाते थे, is because they had something to say. ये नहीं कि मुझे हिट गाना बनाना है. Of course 10% are that कि commercially मुझे successful बनाना है, but by and large 60s में से blues, R&B, soul, these forms of music were born because people had something to say. दर्द था. That's how songs were made. And well, I love our film music, but they are made to a brief. Fantastic music, but it's a brief. All my songs have a part of my life in it.
Super.
A friend of mine was getting divorced. 2 friends of mine, they were close friends of mine from college. And वहाँ से a song was born. When she called me in the night and said, it's not happening, it's not working out. I didn't feel good, and I was sitting, and a tune was born called Fastly. But the song ends on Fastly जो हुए रास्ते कुछ नए मिल गए, रास्ते में कुछ नए मिले. So it's not about the bad thing. It opens up. Life goes on. You move. So like that, in this album, the song "Grow Old with Me" was written when my wife was pregnant with our first child, and it's a cliche. मतलब अगर आप सुनेंगे गाना, then you will यार hundreds of songs like this. मतलब यार चिंटू, come on, कुछ नया, कुछ different, कुछ हटके से बनाना. But it's come straight from the heart. If I said I will ask for directions every time I'm lost and pretend not to be, and if I said I don't know where life leads me, will you still grow old with me? Is how I've led my life. Wow. And I've written it to my wife saying, this, मैं ऐसा ही हूँ. There's a song called Dancing Alone. Okay. It's what I call a Hindi gospel. तो जब मैं माहिम में, Mumbai has this तुलसी पाइप का एक रास्ता है, और I was sitting in the car traffic में, और I saw these mothers leaving, children running on the road, छोटे-छोटे बच्चे, मतलब 1 साल के, 2 साल के, not a care in the world, mothers smiling, laughing, बातचीत हो रही है. And I said, you know how हम लोग इतना हाइपर हो जाते हैं, टेंस हो जाते हैं, यार कपड़ा पहनो, खाना खाओ, पानी, बॉइल्ड पानी पियो. And the mother was smiling away. I said, there must be so much more pain behind that smile. और वहाँ से this song Dancing Alone happened, which Ai has also sung with me. And the first paragraph goes such, दिखता है दर्द आँखों में तेरी, सड़कों की शोर में बच्चे हैं मौन, बाहों में उनको सहला रही जो, पर तेरे आंसू पोंछेगा कौन. And it goes into Hallelujah, Hari Om, praise be Allah, we are not dancing alone. And that song was born from there.
Right.
There is a song called Back to Life. It's in a slightly jazz format. Usme there's a sarangi where Ustad Dilshab Khan has played fantastically, or Ai has sung on that too.
क्या बात है.
It's a song about a love affair at night,
Okay.
where two people meet, the flowers shake, and they go back to their lives in the morning.
Oh wow.
So it's back to life. कि जो भी हो रहा था हो गया, and we go back to life.
Wow.
It's through my experience in life, with the people I've met, through what I've seen. It's all these songs that are part of who I am and what I am. So I always tell people, अगर लोग जानना चाहते हैं कि मैं कौन हूँ, मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ,
मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ?
Listen to my songs.
Yeah.
I am in that song. I'm in all those songs.
Well, you go and check out some more songs of this album on artsloud.com. We're going to take a short break. Stay tuned.
It takes balls to get up, go against the tide, against all odds, and do something like this.
So, what is in the pipeline? You have possibly done everything.
If I said life is not about the money, would you still grow old with me? Artist Alive voice. Music in your heart, music in your soul. Hear it all together now on your phone. It's your music station, and it's on your phone. Artist Alive voice. Artist Alive voice. Music in your heart, music in your soul. You put your hand in it. Artist Alive voice.
Welcome back to New This Week on artsloud.com. I have with me Chintu Bhosle. अब मुझे पता लग गया है कि आप में कितना कुछ है. मैं जानना चाहूँगा ये जो आपका बेहतरीन जो नाता artsloud.com के साथ है, ये इस बारे में कुछ चर्चा करें आप.
When it first started, artistaloud.com A huge part of me was skeptical कि ये Bollywood वाला दुनिया मतलब ना तो world of course but India में it's so difficult to push original independent music. But hats off. It takes balls to get up, go against the tide, against all odds, and do something like this.
So, what is in the pipeline? You have possibly done everything in the book as far as you could do, right, as of now?
I am actually going to focus a lot on this new album that's coming home. Second is, I am having so much fun teaching children music and making them understand. मैं जो सिखाता हूँ ना, it's not formal. They do pianos, drums, singing, harmonium. मैं record करता हूँ, गाना लिखवाता हूँ, वो लोग गा के अपने बजा के I record it and give it to them, saying this is your first song. And my endeavor is just when we learn to speak, we didn't know how to read or write.
Right.
You know, somebody said something, you reacted, they were happy, you felt happy, you self-motivated yourself. And that's how. And then you learn reading, writing much later.
Of course.
Same funda I'm doing with music. फिर बाद में once you get hooked on to music ना, अभी सीखने जाके सीख लो. You know, go to this drummer, go to this pianist, go to this guitarist. So that path, एक दिल का project शुरू हुआ है. I'm going to focus on that.
So technically, you made sure how is it that you want to grow old, right?
Yes.
Well, on that note, what I'm going to do is we're going to end this chat show. It was such a pleasure to have you on the show. You are a bundle of energy, someone who's so passionate about life. You have inspired not only me, but I'm sure millions of viewers across the globe who are watching. And while I'm going to sign off from this show, I'm going to leave you with a wonderful song, Grow Old With Me from Chintu Bhosle. I'm going to see you next Monday. Take care. Bye-bye.
रोशनी भी खिलती जाए तो दिल अब गुनगुनाए ना 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 ना. If I said I love watching TV, and if I said you get to keep the remote control, and if I said life is not about the money, would you still grow old with me? और जब कभी वो छोटी सी जान आ जाए, would you promise to look after her every need? हंसती रहे या फिर वो रोती जाए, would you always write her story with me? Whoa, तेरी प्यारी हंसी से रोशनी भी खिलती जाए तो दिल अब गुनगुनाए ना 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 na 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 na.
Attention.
We're releasing it on 12/12/12. Homeless is more than a feeling. Homeless is not being accepted.
4, 3, 2, 1.
If you don't know each other in the band, it's pointless to, even call yourself a band.
Come on.
Message behind the songs is actually explosive.
Let's go. One more time. Catch us live Monday,
4 p.m.
Artists Allowed, where it's
Music first.